Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seeing a login failed error on Etsy can stop you from accessing your account's orders or shop dashboard. In most cases, the problem is related to credentials, security checks, or connection issues and can be fixed quickly. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the login failed error on Etsy in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, check email and password carefully. So most common cause is incorrect credentials. So verify correct email address, correct password, no extra spaces, caps, lock off. Re-enter details manually, avoid autofills errors, and try logging in again. So it's a login case sensitive. You can also reset your password. So if login still fail, open Etsy login page in the home screen. Click forgot password and enter your account's email. Check email inbox and create a new password. Okay, so try sign in again. Check spam folder if email missing. You can also disable VPN or proxy if you are using any. Security systems may block unfamiliar locations, so before retrying, turn off VPN, disable proxy apps, and use normal internet connection. Okay, attempt login again after you do this. Okay, you can also clear app or browser data. So corrupted sessions can block login. So on mobile, force close Etsy app like this. Okay, and open it again. Or you can log out completely and reopen the app. On desktop, clear cache and cookies, try incognito private mode, and you can use another browser. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.